Let's see. I can't see. Yes, I think I just saw Jeremy on the Mad Mouse. Mike's in the station. Oh, that is funny. We were going to go there first, but we're like, oh, let's do monorail. What's up, guys? You don't know we're here, but we didn't post. We know you're here. That's funny. Mike was in line? Okay. Well, he was videoing. Check out Bear Mike. Did we do mini golf last time we were here? No. We didn't have time. Okay. How about that? You caught him. There's Mike and Jeremy. Should we say something to them? No, they don't see us. Mike! Yeah, it's so loud up here. Yeah, he's like, let's ride the Tilt-a-Whirl. What's up, Mike? They're oblivious. That's hilarious. You want to stalk your friends? Come to Little Amerricka. That's so funny. I love the rollerblade. If you look carefully, you can see where they had to take off the railing on Meteor. Because the ride goes that close. Oh, ah, ooh, ah. And how about it? You got a coaster there that's like the one that caught fire at Great America, and it's right next to a cemetery. That one's called Little Different. And then the toboggan.